Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Tayari Beginners की. This is Gauri Mishra. We will discuss today English current affair with static GK. Listen very carefully and do subscribe, like, comment and share. So let's start this. First news is to Thomas Vizian of Kerala has won the 2021 Nature TTL Photography Awards for his photo of an orangutan clinging to a tree. The photograph is titled "The World is Going Upside Down." He has been adjudged as the overall winner of the competition from over 8,000 entries. And important award and their recipient. India Biodiversity Award 2021 goes to NM Sahaji. Whiteley Award 2021 goes to Y Noklu Fomji. And UNESCO WordPress Freedom Prize 2021 goes to Maria Ressa. Wild Innovator Award 2021 goes to Kirti Karanath. And Nelson Mandela World Humanitarian Award 2021 goes to Ramana Sinha Sehgal. International Ranger Award 2021 goes to Mahendra Giri. 2021 World Food Prize Award goes to Shakuntala Harak Singh ji. Second news is to UN Russian Language Day is observed every year on 6th June as it coincides with the birthday of Alexander Pushkin, a Russian poet who is considered the father of modern Russian language. It is one of the 6 official languages used by UN throughout the organization. The day was established by United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization in 2010. मतलब कि 2010. About United Nations. The United Nations is an in-governmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security, development, friendly relation among nations, achieve international cooperation, and be a center for harmonizing the action of nations. Founded 24 October 1945, San Francisco, United States. Headquarters of UN, New York, United States. Secretary General of UN, Antonio Guterres. About UNESCO. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization is a specialized agency of the United Nations aimed at promoting world peace and security through international cooperation in education, the sciences and culture. Founded UNESCO on 16 November 1945, London. Headquarters Paris, France. Director General of UNESCO, Audrey Azoulay. Parental Organization of UNESCO, United Nations. Third news is to Himachal BJP leader Narinder Baragta passed away at PGMR, Chandigarh due to COVID-19 complication. He was elected to the Vidhan Sabha for the first time in 1998 and remained the horticulture minister in the BJP regime led by Dhomal from 1998 to 2003. He was member of Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly for Jawal to Kothkai, which is the seat of Simla, from 2017 to 2021. He previously served as MLA from 2007 till 2012. Recent famous obituaries. Shri Kumar Banerjee, former chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission. Jyoti Krishna Dutt, Director General of National Security Guard. K. Rangathoman, Director General Bureau of Investigation. Manas Vihari Verma, Aeronautical Scientist. Pandit Devabrata Chaudhary, Sitar Maestro. Soli Sorabji, Attorney General of India. Shankh Ghosh passed away recently. He is a poet. Maulana Wahuddin Khan, Indian Islamic scholar. Fourth news is to PM Modi has released report on the expert committee on roadmap for ethanol blending in India 2020 to 2025 on World Environment Day event. The theme of the report is promotion of biofuel or for better environment. This line is important in this news. Promotion of biofuel for better environment, the theme of report. Okay. Report has been prepared by Niti Aayog in collaboration with Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. The Government has reset the target to achieve 20% ethanol blending in petrol by 2025. Earlier, this target was to be met by 2030. As a part of WED 2021, the Government of India has released an E20 notification directing oil companies to sell ethanol blended petrol with percentage of ethanol up to 20% from April 1, 2023, and BIS specification for higher ethanol blends E12 and E15. Fifth and last news is to World Food Safety Day is observed on 7th June globally every year. World Food Safety Day celebrate on 7th June every year. This year's theme is Safe Food Today for a Healthy Tomorrow. Theme is very important for any competitive exam. Safe food today for a healthy tomorrow. Okay. The first World Food Safety Day adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in December 2018. The theme of the first ever Food Safety Day 2019 is Food Safety Everyone's Business. The World Health Organization, in collaboration with the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, decided to celebrate 7th June as the first Food Safety Day since 7th June 2019. About WHO, या World Health Organization, founded 7 April 1948, Director General of WHO Tedros Adhanom and Soumya Swaminathan, headquarters Geneva, Switzerland, and about Food and Agricultural Organization, established 16 October 1945, headquarters Rome, Italy, Director General Dr. Q. Donkey. Okay, so this was today's current affair. Hope you like it. If you want PDF of this video, then join our Telegram group. Get link from video description. If you want to listen to the audio of current affairs, then you join our Khabri platform. You will get a link from the description of the video. Okay, and do subscribe, like, comment and share, and follow and press the bell icon. Have a great day. Thank you so much.